Hello people, today we are going to learn about the planning process, group project management process, plan cost management. So let's get started. So plan cost management is the process that establishes the policies, procedures and documentation for planning, managing, expending and controlling project cost. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how the project cost will be managed throughout the project. The inputs involved are project management plan, project charter, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process asset. Tools and techniques used are expert judgment, analytical techniques, meetings, and output is obviously cost management plan. So let's see the inputs. The first input is project management plan. The project management plan contains information used to develop the cost management plan, including scope baseline, schedule baseline, and other information. In scope baseline, it includes the project scope statement, WBS details, or the work breakdown structure detail for cost estimation and management. Under schedule baseline, when the project cost it defines when the project cost will be incurred, and other informations are like other cost related scheduling, risk and communication decisions from the project management plan. Then there is the next input is project charter. The project charter provides the summary budget from which the detailed project costs are developed. The project charter also defines the project approval requirement that will influence the management of the project cost. The next input is enterprise environmental factors, and for influencing the plan cost management, following are used. So organizational culture and structure can all influence cost management. Market condition describe what products, services, and results are available in the regional and global market. Currency exchange rates for project costs sourced from more than one country. Published commercial information such as resource cost rate information is often available for commercial databases that track skills and human resource costs and provide standard cost for material and equipment. Published seller price lists are another source for information. And project management information system, which provides alternative possibilities for the management of managing cost. The next input is organizational process asset, and that can influence the plan cost management processes include financial control procedures, example time reporting, required expenditures and disbursement reviews, accounting codes, standard contract provisions, historical information and lesson learned knowledge bases, financial databases, and existing formal and informal cost estimating and budgeting related policies, procedures, and guidelines. The tools and techniques used are expert judgment, analytical techniques, and meetings. Judgment based upon the expertise in an application area, knowledge area, discipline, industry, etc., and appropriate for the activity being performed should be used in developing the cost management plan. In case of analytical technique, it involves choosing strategic options to fund the project, such as self-funding, funding with equity, or funding with debt. Then for resource financing, we have to find out the ways which we can decide on the make and purchase or rent or lease decision, make or buy or rent or lease decision, which and under the financial techniques we can decide on the basis of payback period, a return on investment, internal rate of return, discounted cash flow, or net present value. And the next tool and technique used is meetings. And the meetings in case of meeting, the attendees at these meetings may include the project manager, project sponsor, selected project team members, selected stakeholders, and anyone with responsibility of project cost, and others are as needed. The output is obviously the cost management plan. The cost management plan can establish the following: a unit of measure, level of precision, level of accuracy, and control threshold. Under the level of accuracy, it's like if the it's like rounding is used. If the cost is $100 99 cents, then we can write it as $101. Or if it is $101.51, we can write it as 152 cents. Sorry, 112 cent, 111. I said 111.51 means 111 dollars and 51 cents. You can round it to as 112. So this is the level of accuracy is basically just the rounding. And then we can use the rules of performance measurement using control accounts and earned value management rules of performance measurement. For example, the cost management plan may define the points in the work breakdown structure at which the measurement of control accounts will be performed. Establish the earned value management techniques, example, weighted milestone, fixed formula, percentage complete, etc., to be employed. Then specify tracking methodologies and the earned value management computation equation for calculating projected estimate at completion, which is also called EAC forecast, to provide a validity check on the bottom of estimate at completion. So, in case of weighted milestones assigned a budget earned value at the completion of that milestone. Then, in case of fixed formula, we can, as an example, we can see 1 month milestone with 0% earned when started and 100% when completed. In case of percent complete, it's based on the subjective estimate of the percent complete and other equivalent completed units on level of effort. So these are the I have already spoken in detail about the earned value management techniques with example. So you can go back to my channel and search for that particular tutorial to learn more about the performance measurement rules and how to solve based on the earned value management rules using the plan value and value, etc. And so that's about it. So guys, I hope you got some idea on what's the processing plan cost management. So let's revise it once again. The input is project charter and project management plan. So under project management plan, the we include scope baseline and schedule baseline, and then EEF and OPA. The tools and techniques used are expert judgment, analytical techniques, and meetings. Under analytical techniques, we used funding methods, which can be self, equity, or debt. Then there is a resource financing in which we can decide on the make and buy decision or rent or lease decision. Then there are financial techniques which we can use to decide on the project like return on investment, IRR, NPV, discounted cash flow, etc. And then we can arrange meetings by calling attendees like customer, project sponsor, or whoever has the means stake or other stakeholders who can give input on the cost management. And the output is obviously cost management plan, which will include the units of measure, level of accuracy, precision, and control thresholds. And we can establish the EVM rules like under control accounts and using methods of earned value management and estimate at completion methods. So guys, I hope you got some idea on what is plan cost management and how to develop it. So come back to my channel or subscribe to my channel for more videos on PMP and other things. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.